Running into cars.
See that? That was actually kind of funny. Oh my gosh, Dalton, I actually can't. I actually can't. I didn't even see Dalton, I just heard a bang. And then I looked at the front of my thing and Dalton was on the side of his bike, just stuck to the car. Okay, I need to wipe my eyes, I'm crying.
Yeah!
Bro. Dalton, should I finish the job?
No!
That wasn't supposed to happen.
Yeah, okay.
I wanted to run
Wait, is
you
my
over.
bike still there?
No, I blew it up. That's what killed you.
You blew up my bike!
I wanted to run you over, but I ran over the bike and it killed you.
You spin more on me. Well, this ain't good.
Slow
down. Slow down. I gotta get out of it. 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 Oh no, I'm good.
I'm gonna check my phone while driving because I'm just that
Yeah, now they
gangster.
gotta catch up.
Alright.
Yeah, never mind.
Oh my gosh! Like I said, I was checking my phone and then I looked up. That was happening. Hey Dolphin.
Stop. I finally
I
get
thought I
used to
ran
this
you
stupid
over.
fucking thing.
Bro, you look like
You're laughing so unhealthy.
Dolphin
sounds like a hog.
Every time you laugh, you leave.
He sounds like a pig or something.
Did you see the bounce? Did you see the bounce across? Man, I can't. I think it's the back left-hand corner.
No, you do it right in front of the door.
No, like I meant,
Oh my god.
I am. Yeah, stop laughing at me. You wanna whip it real quick? Sure.
I think it damaged really easily, so
What's your thoughts on this Fudo, Delta?
it's alright. I kinda like the new cars because they get destroyed really quickly. There's a lot of damage. Or not take a lot of damage, they get damaged.
I really like this Fudo. There's talking to my mom. What on earth is vibrating the controller like this? I'll be back in 1 more minute. Holy, the back end. What on earth, bro? This was a rental.
Oh god.
Jeez!
I got a new customer.
Look at the front!
Yeah, I don't know how bad it looks on your screen. It looks somewhat usual for mine.
It looks terrible. It looks like a ramp car.
But like, it doesn't look like that.
This was a rental, man. Never letting you borrow one of my cars. Imagine like someone lets you borrow their car in real life, Dalton, and then you drive back like this, and you got his stuck. Oh! Dalton, go to the back of my car.
I already know. I've seen this on Aiden's. Go through the other one.
What the heck? Those are gross, bro. This one literally looks like a plastic straw.
That one looks like it.
Hey, bruh. Like, it literally looks like, say you're having chocolate milk or that, and when you're younger you put in 2 straws or something? Like, bruh. I'm sorry, I just can't. Wait, I can't go. Oh, now I can.
There you go, to the little circle, my guy.
Alright, I'm ready to get a headache.
Yes, sir.
Is this what I see
You
like
come
when
into
I'm
my
on
garage
shrooms?
instead of acid trip and you come into mine.
Yeah, like literally.
Yes, sir. Kinda, yeah.
Oh, your cars actually fit this setting very well.
Oh, yeah.
This is nice.
These two are.
I like how
know.
most
I don't
of
know how I
my
feel about
cars are like nice and dark, right? In my garage, like there's calmer music playing, calmer
You come
colors,
in
and
mine,
then I
it's
come
just
in
a
here,
bright red
it's like,
and like a bunch of different colors.
yeah, there's like
It's like-
rock playing.
For me, there's like crazy techno music playing. I got like this complete acid trip floor and ceiling and walls. These bright colored cars you go into yours. It's just a nice, calm, simple area. There's nice classical music playing.
Nice, like calm, very calm cars. Jeez, you
What are
crackhead!
you doing? You're pushing me out of the way!
I got pushed because I could turn.
We're in here with like actual online players who do from the whole time.
Yeah, like
Don't
they're
all
having a
just
race.
smash each other.
Dalton.
Wow. Completely shattered my windshield. Broke my door almost. And I'm getting shot.
Yeah, I'll
I take
protect
a
it.
picture.
Oh!
Oh my.
Friendly fire's on, I guess.
You shouldn't be able to melee your people even when you have friendly fire on. It makes sense. Like, oh, looks good, homie.
What's happened? We have to chase him to his apartment. He's gonna hop on a thing, yeah. Bruh, look at his whip. Who else but Rockstar making the NPCs go like 2 miles per hour to go to their apartment? Oh, don't stop!
This guy's so like. Oh my god, these guns are chasing me. Let me take my sweet time to my house.
Literally, bro.
Let me hop on my moped and take my sweet time back to my
let
house.
me just go for a nice jog to the front door.
Yeah. Like he brings us back to his house of all places.
Oh,
what the
shoot.
hell's the people in here?
Oh, I killed him. Locate
Good.
the virus software. Found it.
Oh, I infiltrated this bathroom. I had to see what type of shampoo you used.
3 and
What's
1.
going on
I
in the
needed
TV?
that. What? Oh, cocaine?
Someone's getting freaky on it. No, there was some
Oh,
dude
bruh.
like railing like an animal or something up there. I don't know.
Wait, what?
Shave.
Dude, this dude's moped literally sounds cooler than my car at a standstill.
Wait, I wonder.
Yeah, Blue Gang is moped too.
That will teach him.
Yeah. Don't be a hacker.
Oh,
man.
I'm
Don't be a
gonna die. I'm gonna die.
hacker. You got it. I believe in you. Hop on, brother. Oh. Oh.
Hardcore dipping,
Oh,
bro.
they got masks on. What is this? Their money heist?
The way they were walking before the cutscene was so weird. Look how bright my character is. Oh my god. Did I die? Like, there's a whole, like... Bruh.
Who are you? Haven't stopped talking about that thing every time you're on the fucking game, bro.
Well, it's like one of my dream cars now, right? My dream car! Did you see that?
No.
An NPC just as I said, it's like kind of one of my dream cars now. An NPC rear-ended it and pushed it down the street onto the sidewalk.
I'm gonna get away and I want both tires probably, so. That 100% did not happen in Salty.
What?
The dude said this getaway better be salty as a motherfucker. Yeah, this is not salty. What's so fucking There's no way, bro.
Wait, it may go free. Why is that dude floating? That dude's floating in a way like he's trying to seduce me. This container has one, I believe.
Oh my god.
What?
Aiden got this one, but then he changed it and I got this one.
Bro, what the heck is this Snapchat story? Watch Mojo Anime, the sexiest female anime fighters.
Where is this?
Yeah, I want to send it to me.
God.
No,
What do you mean no?
I'm not sending it.
I'll just find it then.
Go ahead.
Down bad, down bad.
You said this was a Snapchat thing?
Dalton's also down bad. Bruh. Hey, watch Mojo. I don't know how the actual intro goes. Today we're counting down the 10 sexiest anime female fighters. Bruh.
I found it.
Oh my god.
Welcome to Watch Mojo Anime, and today we're counting down our picks for the top 10 sexiest female anime fighters.
I had it pretty much down. I pretty much had it on point, man.
Nice, now it's buffering.
Man.
Picks for the top 10
No, this
I
will
was just
actually be an
joking.
anime I might want to watch.
Yeah. Why do you want to watch it, huh?
Certain Magical Index. Not
Certain
that
Magical
women
Index.
rate more than their fair share of
Netflix time to find anime. I'm kidding.